Now, I hope, Chairman, I might have just a few minutes to bring this to Darwin, which is, what's it got to do with that? I believe that this conceit, or delusion, that we have about ourselves is a bit daft, I think, but I believe it's an evolved adaptation in that sense, the true Darwinian notion. Take this idea of free will. I feel as though, because I have the same intuitions, incidentally, as anybody else. I'm quite convinced, actually, most of them, because I think about it, about how I have free will. So there I am. I feel as though I'm free to do nice action A rather than nasty action B. And because I feel that I have this freedom, it is natural for me to intuit that you too have this freedom. So if you do nasty thing B to me instead of nasty thing A, I'm going to blame you for it, because I think you have the choice. I believe you have the choice. And because I blame you, it seems to me right and fair that I can punish you for it. Now, take it one step further. If I feel that I am free to punish you, I'm likely also to feel that you're going to punish me if I do nasty thing B to you instead of nasty thing A. Hence, in that moment before I do A or B, my knowledge that you are likely to punish me if I do B rather than A is itself a stimulus, an influence upon me. Not a choice, it's not internal, it's a part of the external environment which is pushing me towards doing A, in this case, nice thing, instead of nasty thing. In other words, it acts, this illusion of free will, as a sort of inner policeman which pushes me, and all of us, towards doing, generally speaking, nice things, things that actually keep the group together, that help for group survival, and hence benefit the group, because in an interdependent society like ours, things that make the group function better are likely to be good for the individual as well. And of course this in turn raises a very real moral question. You're telling me, okay, 30 seconds, very real moral question. Should people like me be standing up here telling you that free will is an illusion? Actually, there is now quite strong